Hi everyone. In this video we will cover how can we add meta tags to our HTML page. So we all know meta tags are used for SEO purpose, right? So how do we add them? So for very first thing to understand the whole document based authoring, what we are talking about, everything goes via table only. So we have already seen that how do we add the card component, carousel component, any component we in terms of wrangling we call it as block. If we want to add the block, we need to use table. Now as per documentation, if we see, this is the documentation, right? And if we want to add meta data or meta keywords, again they have given an example and the structure. I'll just go open this structure. So it's a simple, right? We have this table. So let's do one thing. We'll just create a fresh table. So let's close this one, click on insert table, and we'll create a table, maybe. Yes. Okay, the first thing is to merge the first row cells. So right click, merge cells, and what name we need to give? Metadata. Okay, and then there can be various keywords which we can give, title, description, etc, etc. Okay, so let's try. So I'll just provide name is equal to, this is home page, title is equal to my home page, tags are product, okay. So we have I have just provided these meta keywords, right? Ideally it should be in lowercase, but that is fine. Yeah, I'll just preview it. So click here, click on preview. And of course meta keywords we don't see on the page itself, but we always see in the page source. So right click, inspect, and I'll just search for the meta keywords. What name we have given? Home page. I'll just search with home page. Yes, one more time. Yes, so this meta keyword just got added. Meta property, content, my home page, right? Sorry, not this one, this one. Yeah, but attribute name was name, and then home page value was home page. So name and value is home page. The next one was my home page, that should be title. So I'll just search with name is equal to title. So I'll search with name is equal to title, my home page. Yeah, this is also coming. Okay, so this is how we add meta keywords to our page. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.